Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confidence. Sorry I've been blowing up the Telegram chat this morning for you guys. Just telling you guys trades that I'm exiting, that I've finally hit the stop losses, and then trades I'm getting back into. You guys really want to know. You guys are like, Travis, I want to copy the exact trades you're getting into. So that's what I'm showing you guys this morning, and updating you guys on Mana. All right, guys, we took another win. We are now 109 wins for 0 losses, and that was the last one we took on Mana, which actually hit its 50% stop loss yesterday. And guys, we're like basically back into, I haven't got picked up yet. I know people have already, but I'm waiting to get picked up on the first buy limit for Mana. So if you want to join us, you guys will see how to do that in this video, as well as AVAX, which was our 108th for 108th win, or 108 wins for 0 losses. That also just got its buy limit picked up this morning. So you guys are doing fantastic. We're probably going to hit 110 for 110 wins pretty easily by the end of this month. So we may have to raise that to 120 to 120 wins and 0 losses. So I'll show you guys exactly how to get into our trading program in the second half of the video. But guys, you came here for the thumbnail. So let's go over this, guys. Yes, I do believe I can get you guys into about 120% trade on this video here. You guys are like, no, that's impossible. No, it's actually not. I'll show you guys why I believe this. And I am actually going to be calling this exit in Telegram for you guys. So if you join us, I will be calling this out. Here's my prediction here. I'll show you how I'm going to get to this, but let me show you the prediction first. We have a trade setup right now that is in, basically we've hit our 4th buy limit down here. We're at basically 5-6 cents, okay? VET has gone so low. I hear people talking right now. They're like, man, the crypto winter is still to come. I don't know, guys. If the crypto winter comes for VET, there's nothing going to be left of VET. But let's take a look at how much we've bounced from this price range before in the past. We've seen, obviously past data. I want to look at this. We've bounced 119% from this area, 112%, 43%, and 118%. Okay, so now that you guys see that, what I'm looking for over here is simply just to exit this trade at this first structure up here, which is right around this level of about 12.6 cents. All right, for those of you guys who get into the trade today that I'm going to show you, do you guys understand that if you get in down where I'm talking about right now today, and you guys get up here to this top area, you're going to be taking about 120% profit when I call this exit for VET in our Telegram channel for all of our traders who are in here. So that's the setup. Now let's look over the indicators and metrics to give us a perspective of what we could see happening this week to kind of forecast that move. Here's what I really like about the indicators this morning is that they are all red. When retail trader indicators are all red here, this tells me it is time to buy the markets, okay? Let's move down here. The price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. Let me make this a little bit bigger because I want to show you guys the peaks and valleys here. What you guys can see is these two indicators are the two that we use to call the tops and the bottoms of crypto before crypto moves down and before crypto moves up. Okay, watch this. As you guys saw this price up here get very high, we saw the trend exhaustion in the top red section. We saw well money flow fairly high here, at the higher section than a lower section. What do you guys see around these two areas? Right when the trend exhaustion pushed to the top red sections here, well money flow is elevated here. We ended up seeing a drop back down in price. We don't short on this channel, but those of you guys who are shorting, great job. You made a ton of money on that. Good job. Now, let's take a look at this. Once the market started to sell off, what was the precursor to the move back up? It was trend exhaustion was low in the bottom red section here, and the well money flow is low as well. That is right. If you guys take a line and you go straight up here, I want to show this to you guys transparently. It's right around this area right here. So in this consolidation period that we saw, this is a great time to pick up trades and then ride this thing back up, okay? Now that we push back to the top red zone here, what should you guys have expected? A drop back down, and that's exactly what we got the moment we hit the top red section here. This is so awesome. We ended up moving back down. So for those of you guys who are scalping with our indicators, and you guys are simply just doing this one thing, you're waiting for the trend exhaustion to get to the bottom red section and at least for the well money to have headed down, and you guys are getting into trades, you can scalp this for 3-4% over and over and over and over again if you want. I suggest you guys use the buy limits as we are using, because that will give you far better risk management. But I have a ton of people coming out and saying, hey, I'm scalping with your indicators, Travis, and I'm making thousands of dollars. Like, can you show us a little bit more about this? I'm showing you guys this like right here. If you come down here, look at when the trend exhaustion is the bottom red section and at least the well money flow is heading down, it is literally predicting all these even little moves in the market to head back up. And you guys can literally come in and scalp this. You're like, well, that's not a big percentage. Well, let me show you guys the percentages this is actually coming out with, and I'll move on with the analysis. This right here, 34%. How can you not take 2 to 3 to 4% out of that? Let's take a look at this over here. Does it help, guys? Let me do this. Let me do something. I know we're going to push the buy limits out of the way, but let me do this. If this might actually like give you guys better perspective of how people are actually like kind of scalping this market here. Let's take a look at this. Right here, trend exhaustion got to the bottom. Let's not cherry pick. Look at the line straight up. There it hit the bottom section, whale money flow low. That's right here at the bottom. Can you guys get 3 to 4% out of a 12% move? Come on, I hope somebody out there can, all right? So, and then you look at this over here. You're like, okay, where did it hit the bottom red section? It was right over here. Okay, let me do this. It's not right here. You can't take that signal. That happened before. This is the first one right here. So let's be honest with ourselves. That's where it went off. So down here is where you guys could have gotten in, and that is where you guys could have come in and scalped this market. And I don't know, like take anything up to 35% and you would have been good, all right? And then even anybody over here that came in and you guys got in right down here on this, you guys could have come here and look at for take 2-3%. If you didn't hit that, that's why the dollar cost average entry comes into play, and then you guys would have easily gotten back into the profit over here if you guys got into the second entry, which is down over here. If you guys can see this, let me come over here to the price. If you guys see right down here, hit the bottom red section right there, you guys can see that you could have ridden this up here to anything you would have taken up to 8%. All right, that is a little quick tutorial of how to scalp. Now, I know people are excited about that because you're like, oh my gosh, I can make so much money now. And yeah, we have traders making tens of thousands of dollars with our indicators scalping. So that's a quick little masterclass for you guys. And let me get our price range tool back on here. So I'll come out with an actual official masterclass of how to do that, but just showing you guys some fun little techniques you can use with this. This indicator also has alerts built into it. So when it touches the bottom red section, you guys can come in and snag those prices. Use it on any time frame you want. Okay, I don't want to get distracted here. I want to pay attention to this trade and get you guys into this 120% trade because I do believe this is possible. Absolutely. Let's come over here and let me show you guys the metrics. These are very powerful to gauge what's going to happen in the next few days. The pricing on our metrics, guys, this is so crazy. We have now, what are we at? Today is February 17th. We have 8 days left. Is that right? Let's see, 25 minus 17, 25. I know, I'm getting a calculator out here. Minus 17. Yeah, we've got 8 days left, guys. 8 days, and our membership is going to go up to $95 a month starting February 25th. Guys, everybody who's already in our membership, just keep your membership, and you guys will stay at $49 a month forever. Sign up today. You guys will get in here. You'll get access to all of our metrics that you guys are about to see, the Telegram channel, where I call exits for every one of our coins. The Inner Circle access, we're going to go live on Zoom with you guys March 10th, 3 to 4 p.m., which is going to be awesome. Talk about the markets. And then the master classes, you guys get all of those with the membership as well. Okay, let's dive into the actual metrics today so I can show this to you guys. Go to the front page where it says Trade Metrics and Setups. Scroll down to VET. All right, VeChain. Let's dive in. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our metrics on our website will update every single day. About 48 minutes right now. It's 7:12. Okay, emotional index. We were up here in the excited area. Excited area was right up here. You guys need to understand that when institutions and whales are getting into the market, they're going to look for you guys as retail traders to get excited and greedy. Why? Because the majority of people who trade, and you guys can see for yourself. I don't want to say like, isn't it true that a lot of you watching this, just be honest with yourself right now, you guys get excited to put money in the market when the market's going up because you have been taught that trade with the momentum. The trend is your friend. You've been taught that, right? Okay, guys, you need to stop thinking about that. That's not correct. I will show you here that when you guys are getting excited and you're getting greedy because you see the price going up, that is the worst time to buy. I know this may be simple. Some of you guys are like, oh, you buy on the dip. But how many of you watching can honestly tell me, honestly be honest with yourself and be like, I buy when the price is going up because I think the price is going to keep going to the moon. Okay, if you're doing that, you're probably losing a lot more trades. We've never lost a single trade, and we've won 109 trades in a row, 0 losses, highest win rate on all of YouTube because we don't trade that way. We trade opposite of you. We are actually coming in and we are buying as the price moves back down. That's what we've been doing on this entire move back down here, okay? If you guys get into a trade setup today, I'll show you how to get that 120%. Watch this. As you move down here, the market cap strength, take a look at this. Market cap strength here is following the overall price structure. This is healthy for VET. We don't want to see price structure moving up here and the overall market cap moving down. This shows that the price is moving up with decreased interest in the coin. If the white line moves up, it means price is going up. But if the green line moves down at the same time and causes divergence, this shows us that interest is moving out of VeChain, VET, and it's being placed into other coins. Okay? That tells me that there's lack of interest and could be predicting a drop soon. We've called the last 5 literally market cycles of Bitcoin with the market cap, if you guys saw that video. Let's move down here. So that's healthy. So this is good. This is actually very good for VET. Trades in favor right now. We were up here into the good short trade area and even great short trade area right around this time here. Like I showed you guys, if you're watching the indicators and you are pairing them with the metrics over here, you are doing really, really well and you're making good money. Guys, we've made money this last week. We went from 102 to 103, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 wins. Okay, we've done 7 wins in a row in the last like 2.5 weeks. This pushed down into the good long trade section down here. Okay, that good long trade section, where was that? It was right here, guys, before we started moving back up. What else predicted this move back up? Well, money flow was low, trend exhaustion was low. Do you guys see how we're using this all together? You're like, okay, how am I going to lose a trade if I just use the metrics indicators? That is what I'm trying to tell you guys in this video this morning, actually to demonstrate and show you, okay? Real quick, not to be like an ADD moment, I'll show you guys my account. 150,000 is break even, 137,893. I'm not worried about this at all. We are doing so well. Most accounts are actually down between 30 to 40% right now. And there are even some people who are down a lot more than this. Let me really quickly show this to you guys. I want to just create some, let me see if we uploaded it. I'm not sure if we did yesterday. Okay. We'll probably update it today. There is a guy that basically was telling us he's making all this money with our indicators in this bear market. And he says he has friends down right now 60%. His friends are down 60%. He hasn't lost a trade and he's making money because he's trading with us. Okay, I'm not turning this into a sales video, but I'm like, guys, this is the real deal. Like, we are saving people's accounts in the bear market by getting people in and out, and we're winning trades like the entire time too. Okay, take a look at this, guys. Well, institutional smart money. This is showing us that smart money came out here and took short trades in the market very strongly on this pump. Great. That was another precursor of a move back down. Now, what happened when the price moved back down here on VET? We ended up seeing them switch over to long trades, and what happened, guys? The price started to move back up. Okay, this morning, I believe, is a simple correction back down to an overall extension move back up. I do not believe we're going to come back down and hit this bottom structure here of 4 cents. I believe before we guys, I believe this is done. I honestly believe 4 cents is done for VET for a while. This is just a correction move back down to a continuation move back up. That's what I honestly believe, guys. We can see it with the metrics. We can see it with the indicators. That's what I'm seeing. Let's move down here to support and resistance prices, and I'll show you guys how to get into this trade. The next greatest resistance is at right here about 6 cents, 6 to 7 cents on the chart. So that puts us right here at the top. Okay, we all know that. Now look at the support. Puts us right down here at 5 cents. Now where is 5 cents? That's on the chart here, and it's right at the bottom, right about, let's get down 5 cents, right about here. All these structure supports here. So we could hit, I wouldn't doubt, guys, if we hit 5 cents, possibly by the weekend. Here is what we're looking for. Are we going to hit 5 cents, or are we going to actually hit, up here to 7 cents before this weekend? Based off the metrics, I would say there's a higher chance of us hitting 7 cents than there is for us to hit 5 cents by this weekend, because we are seeing that the well-institutional smart money is coming in and buying. We also see the trend exhaustion moving down here, which when this moves down and well money flow moves down, this is where you can actually get springboard moves back up on the price. So for those of you little scalpers out there, if once this comes back down here to the bottom red section, you may want to look to maybe get in there, okay? I'll show you guys how to trade here with our strategy here. I'll get 2 more metrics here and we'll get in there. Dollar cost average entries, guys, great entry here. You know what, guys? There's going to be a day when I come back out here and be like, VET hit 25 cents. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, guys. And you're going to be like, man, I really wish I put more money in the market at these lower prices, okay? All of you guys got a good signal yesterday. These prices may never come back down this low ever again. These are buying times, okay? Exit points. You guys are seeing this call, this exit very well. So the next time we head up here, we're going to be looking for that exit, and then we'll look for the drop back down. So how are you guys going to get into this 120% trade over here? You guys are literally going to take this trade right there. I'm not your financial advisor. I want to make this very clear. The trade setup is at the bottom. Scroll down. I'm going to keep this private for our members, but let me show you exactly how to trade this, and I'm going to show you on the Bitcoin chart. Okay, let's scroll all the way down for Bitcoin. This will update as well this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, pretend this chart is VET. All of our charts show 3 things: price structure in white, 4 buy limits, and 1 sell limit. Here's what you guys are going to do, and let's keep this chart in view, okay? Follow me here. On the VET chart, you're going to see 4 buy limits: 1, 2, 3, 4. They're obviously not that price. I'm just throwing them out there, okay? What you can do, because VET is so low, is go ahead and forego the 4th buy limit and just use the first 3 buy limits. This will get you more money into this trade, but also give you very good risk management. Here's what you're going to do. Take the amount that you want to trade VET or any of our coins with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions. In this case for VET, it's going to be 3 equal portions, okay? So it's going to be $333 with this example. Now place that 33%, or 25% in this scenario, at the buy limits in yellow. So on VET, you're going to see 4 different buy limits. You're going to take 33% and place it the first one, 33%, 33%, because we're using the first 3 instead of 4 because we're so low in price structure, okay? Once that first buy limit gets hit, just simply set up a sell limit up here in green. In case we skyrocket back up, you guys will be able to get profit, all right? Now, all you have to do is follow me in the Telegram channel and I will call out. I promise you guys, I watch this every single day. Every day I watch this. This is how I'm able to call those exits and keep you guys updated on Telegram. When this price comes back up here and we get up to this structure high here on VET, I have traders in this trade. I'm not in this trade because it's not traded on Coinbase, but when we get to this structure high up here, you guys can see this right here, I'm going to be calling an exit. Like I already showed you guys, that is around 120%. So if you guys get in today and you just simply take this exit when I call an exit up here, you're looking at about 120% profit. I have other trades that I'm in right now like Polkadot, as well as Matic and EOS and Solana that we're going to do about 120 to 130% for those of you guys who joined me in the masterclass and we took trades down here in the market. So this is not unrealistic. We will be realizing these gains, guys. Okay, once you have that set up, get in the Telegram channel and that will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling those exits. So make sure you guys do that. Okay, last but not least, how are you guys getting these indicators? I know I had a quick little pop-up there in the beginning, but I want to show you guys this more in depth. This is in the description. The bundle pack is 82% off today. This is ridiculous. Make sure you guys are getting this. We are going to be upping this price. The 3 indicators you guys need today are the trend exhaustion, the trend dashboard, and price for swell money flow. They're the 3 indicators I never take off my charts, guys. Ever take off my charts, okay? You guys can scalp with the price for swell money flow and the trend exhaustion if you would like. Okay, I showed you guys how to do that in this video. I would go for about 2 to 4% profit max. It's called scalping to get in and out. If you were to ask me, Travis, should I scalp or should I use your strategy? I would say, honestly, if my mom came to me and asked this, I would say, honestly, the strategy where we use 4 buy limits is going to be far safer. But if you guys want to take like 10% of your account and scalp the markets, you can do that. These are the 2 most accurate indicators you guys can do this with. Promise you guys, like Gumroad.com is our partner. We have the #1 highest selling product on all of Gumroad for money, education, crypto, Bitcoin, and trading. It's the bundle pack. It's because it's ridiculously valued over here and people make a ton of money with it. So just want to make that point really quickly, guys. 82% off the bundle pack. Make sure you guys get this real fast. And I want to just talk about one more thing here. Those of you guys who have got any of our individual indicators, let's say you got the price for swell money flow and you're like, look, I want to get the bundle pack. I don't want to pay for the other individual indicators. I want to get the bundle pack. Send us an email and we'll give you guys the difference over PayPal so you guys can get it 82% off because you're going to actually get all 9 of these indicators with the bundle pack instead of just the 3, which is basically the same price, very close to the same price as the bundle pack, okay? You guys are going to be able to get all 9 of them, and this is a one-time purchase, not a recurring fee. Okay, now that you guys know that, let me just wrap this up here for VET, and let's look at the metrics one more time. Overall, what I believe is happening in this market right now is that we are seeing, obviously, this move down. Let me pull this out here with the trend line. I want to just show this to you guys real quick. What we're seeing is this pressure point being built in the market. Let me draw this first. I was going to keep talking, but I want to show this to you guys. Wait till this is drawn. This is a pressure point being built in the market right now. So what we're going to expect here is we are going to see some fast action moves here in the market. We are either going to see VET shoot up here because this formation is forming on a lot of coins right now, guys, or we're going to see a shot back down. Again, as if using the metrics and the indicators, I am looking for this to have a greater chance of moving up here. Now, let's say this. Okay, well, who cares if it goes down or it goes up? Like, if you just use our risk management strategy, if it goes up here, you're going to have money in the market. If it goes down, you have 3 buy limits and you're going to stay safe. Does that make sense, guys? Like, this is why people trade this strategy. It doesn't matter if it goes down from here. If it does, you're going to get more money in the market, just like we have more money in this market over on this trade. And then when it goes back up, you're going to make even more money. That is why using these buy limits that we have is the best way to trade. And that is how you guys can be getting into 120% trade here. And I will be calling that exit out in the Telegram channel. Mark those words, guys. Watch it, because I'm not exiting this until we're in the profit. So if you guys want to set that up, do that. I hope you guys have a blast. God bless you guys. All the indicator links, the 82% off for the bundle pack, is in the description. Also, the membership, guys, to basically take every one of our trades, enter the master classes and all of that. You guys have 8 days left, and this is going to be going up February 25th. All right, guys, make sure you secure your spot, and this will be going up. I'll make sure all of you guys stay at $49 a month forever. You will not have to pay a higher price. Just stay at $49 a month, keep your membership, and then you guys will not have to pay when this basically goes up double in 8 days. So make sure you guys get in. I'll see you guys later, and I'll come out with a couple more videos today, give you guys analysis on these coins. All right, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.